Hey, I'm James. Welcome back to the Vintage Model Company. Today we have a little video about this plane, the F4U Corsair. Here's some more information about this kit. As with pretty much all of our aircraft that we make here at the Vintage Model Company, this is made of balsa wood. It's just like the rest of our magnificent flying machines range in that it's easy to build, uses laser cut components, and flies with rubber power. You get pretty much everything that you need in the kit, including the tissue, the hardware like the propeller, all of that stuff. So yeah, this is a really nice flying aircraft. It's got this extra dihedral built into the wing so it remains nice and stable, even though it's a warbird. Obviously, the real F4U Corsair was built to be a fighter plane. It's supposed to be really maneuverable and everything. A little bit different to how these small scale, extremely lightweight models are built to fly. So therefore we've added this dihedral just to give you a bit more of a stable flight. Lots of people have been asking recently for some more flying footage in these little videos that we're doing at the moment. Here's a clip of a competition that we attended last year where this plane was in action. Follow the links in the description box to find this kit on our store, and make sure to send us the pictures of yours when you finished it. We always like to see what you do with these models, how you customize them, how you make them your own, so that would be nice to see. We started an aero club specifically for that reason, so there's also a link to that in the description. Check that out and become a member if you'd like. It's free. Thanks very much for being part of this little community, for subscribing to the channel, and for supporting us by buying these kits. Alright, we'll catch you on the next one. See you later.